Be prepared to be amazed by the boundless imagination of inventors who consistently summon up brilliant solutions to complex matters. This video review of the newest and greatest inventions will leave you inspired and impressed. The first ever mobility aid that enables you to walk at the speed of a run is a moonwalker. With a drivetrain that is AI adaptive, you can travel farther at your own pace. In order to get where they're going more quickly, moonwalkers can walk up to 250% faster. The revolutionary 8-wheel drivetrain by moonwalkers offers stability and performance while being designed to traverse almost any terrain. Snowmobiles, ATVs, and other recreational vehicles are transported on the back of a truck using a hydraulic flatbed sled deck. For simple vehicle loading and unloading, it usually includes a level platform that can be hydraulically raised and lowered. Many measures exist that can aid in preventing flooding in the home. It's crucial to understand that hardly any one technique can totally stop flooding in homes. Yet a variety of mechanisms working together with excellent maintenance procedures can greatly lower the chances of flooding. The multi-purpose foldable level can be folded into a block with a rectangle form for everyday storage and a straight level ruler for various tasks. It is simple to store and a wonderful space saver thanks to its tiny size. The Batavia 7063860 hammer contributes to your car's safety. A brand new life-saving tool called MaxSafe works both above and below the sea. Raba helmets are distinguished from general helmets by their lovely construction patterns and color combinations. If Raba is folded, it can be shrunk to less than 35% of its original size. It can also be broadly spread out and folded up. Within around 10 seconds, Raba can be transformed into the form and used. The tail table is a travel accessory for your upcoming road trip. It is a floating table that can be attached to the U-latch in the trunk or cargo area of your car, SUV, or van. The tail table contains slots in the table that can store stemmed glasses in addition to a cutting board area that is suitable for use with food. In terms of weight and volume, Uphold Cutlery is the industry leader in travel cutlery design. It provides the lightest and thinnest option among items with comparable usefulness when compared directly. They created the product to be a stylish complement to urban living. A cutting-edge method of controlling your drone is the DJI motion controller, which works with both the DJI Avata and DJI FPV. It is now simpler and more intuitive than ever to shoot through narrow spaces and feel the rush of flight, thanks to the ability to regulate where the drone flies with a flick of the wrist. A combination laptop and tablet called the Lenovo YogaBook 9i was unveiled in 2021. It is a member of Lenovo's YogaBook lineup, which is renowned for its cutting-edge style and adaptability. The goal of Agrist is to promote agricultural industry innovation and address major agricultural problems for the benefit of future generations of people. They are a venture business that has brought together professionals who share a vision, solving the problem of a lack of agricultural workers by automating harvest with robots that have AI capabilities. Your TV can be made portable with the addition of a wheeled base. Ella's strong dual-motor system enables you to easily climb any hill. Enjoy Ella's incredibly smooth power assist as you cruise. Manufacturer of tires Hankook unveiled the Flex-Up in 2017, a tire with stair climbing and obstacle surmounting abilities. The Flex-Up design consists of a single wheel that extends and contracts using the divided tread principle, allowing for unhindered movement even when stairs are present. A super broom, Broombee is more than just a broom. With its potent quadruple blades, Broombee can clean smooth surfaces, rugs, and fabrics while removing all kinds of impurities and dirt from their path. When Broombee is in use, the unique materials used for the blades generate static charge, collecting and trapping fine dust and hairs. One of the best and most useful espresso makers is NanoPresso, the perfect addition to your arsenal of coffee tools. With the aid of your hands, the NanoPresso can achieve a maximum pressure of 18 bars for unrivaled coffee extraction qualities. It is built around a newly patented pumping system. The NanoPresso functions best with freshly ground coffee that has been firmly pressed. It is delightfully simple to use and run. NanoPresso maintenance only takes a few seconds after each shot. The inventions are endless. There is no end in sight. In the future, let's hope to achieve more sophisticated tools, which can make things even easier for us. Which device drew your attention? Let us know in the comments.